Okay, it's recording. Hello. I'm here again. Me, Miss Edie, or Edie. And yes, I'm wearing the same outfit. Do I have other clothes? Yes. Why am I wearing the same outfit? Because I'm in my pajamas. And this is my house robe. So, and it's a pretty color. Anyway, yeah. I wanted to come on and show y'all how to make an easy post-it note holder. The only thing is I can't find my Velcro dots or whatever they're called. I think it's Velcro dots. So I already whined about that in an earlier video. So I went ahead and ordered some. They'll be here Friday. But in the meantime, I don't have any to show you with it all completed. All right. But I'm going to show you what you can make. Now, unfortunately, I've been trying to find post-it note recipes or instructions or whatever, and I've made some, and it would have the little pen thing holder, but the pens I bought off of Amazon were too thick for the little slot. And what I always think about that little paper slot, that little paper slot's going to come undone, and then it's going to be kind of ragged right there. Now, post-it note holders, being made of paper, they're not going to last forever anyway, you know. They'll have a, whatever, if you keep them in your purse and don't have it inside something, like a little envelope or something, it's going to get messed up even faster. So, but that little pencil thing, even though it's cute, will, and I think, come undone. You put that pencil in, or pen, one time too many, and it's gonna probably tear it. And that'll be the end of that, as far as the little holder part goes. But anyway, there's probably other pens, but the ones I ordered are too thick for it. And the other thing about the other ones that I've come across, they have to have the thicker, what do you call these besides post-it notes? What else would you call them? Sticky notes? Okay, because I don't think these are actual post-it notes. Then, okay, they also have these kind, if you can find them at different places, but it's half the size. So I've been looking for some instructions which would only need half the size. You can either buy them like this already, or you can, you know, tear them apart yourself. Kind of look at it and go, okay, that's about half. All right. So, but let me show you what I came up with. Here's my little post-it note holder, which is holding one of these thin ones. Okay. Now, I don't have the little Velcros. And then on the inside, there's your little post-it note. Very cute, very easy. Now, if you wanted to, you can decorate this, and you can decorate that and that. But for the sake of simplicity, plus I didn't have that much paper from this, what's the story behind this? Okay, somebody knows because they sent this to me. So, anyway, anybody want to guess at who sent it to me? Okay. I'm just going to let y'all guess on that one. So, very pretty. They had made their own. Took a piece of paper, and I believe this is chalk, or like a chalk. It's not coming off, so I'm not sure. They'll have to tell me. But I cut it down to fit this. I'm going to give you the measurements on this. Okay, let me get into it and show you. I'm not going to show you me cutting it and everything or scoring it, because I don't know how to get my, I don't have that thing Judy has. I've got to get one. You cut a piece of cardstock, 3 1/8 by 8 1/4. Now you see I already rounded these corners. Okay, but that's 3 1/8 by 8 1/4, and out of a 8 1/2 by 11, you can get 3 of these. Okay? All right. Then, this is going to be the flap that goes over right here. So you're going to round those corners. Now, I've already found some pretty paper that I liked. I chose this. And I found some stickers that matched it. The fish. Okay. And I've already put it on there. For sake of time, I'm not going to go ahead and glue it because, anyway, there you go. I'd have to lay it down to glue it. And then on the bottom, I went ahead and stuck that sticker. And there you go. All right. Do I even know what I did? I'll do it real quick, but you're not going to be able to see me do it. But I want to see how that turns out. Then the other thing on this being stripes, I've got to try to get it lined up. I'm just using my AG gun, or you could use wet glue, whatever is your preference. But for the sake of going fast, I'm doing it this way. There's about 1/8 of an inch going around it. Just got to make sure when I put this one down that the lines match up pretty good, hopefully. Okay. I did not round the corners on this. You could if you wanted to, but it's on the inside anyway. So it's not really going to show. But when I saw the person do it and they didn't round the corners, I thought, why didn't they round the corners? But that's up to you if you want to. But like I said, it's not going to show on the outside, so I didn't really worry about it either. Using my AG gun. What is this? ATG gun. Advanced Tape Glider. Alright. Lay this down. Try to get it. How am I going to make sure? I can't really see. Just do the best you can and hope for the best. Okay. Okay, hope for the best. Let's see if it's good enough. Okay. Oh, I hear the thunder outside. We've got the rain. I'm going to use this one on the inside. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder plus whatever you got on hand. You may not have, because I really would have preferred another blue, but I didn't have it. We had a Fred's here in Crystal Springs, as well as Hazelhurst, and Fred's closed up. And that's where I got the package that had these. I'm looking for it. If y'all saw, oh, here it is. It had 4. This little package had 4 in it. I'm gonna have to go online and see if I can find it, because I don't think all of the Fred's closed up. I'm gonna lay this one down. Try to leave that little bit. Okay. There you go. Ain't it cute? And like I said, if you wanted to decorate the back, you could. This one and this one. All right. Now the person who made this for me, I'm going to do a little giveaway. You can't get this one. Don't say anything. But if you want an opportunity to win one, just say, I want one. Okay. And you will get one. I won't say who gets which one, except the person who did make this won't get this one. Okay. All right. But anyway, that's my little quick tutorial of a thin Post-it note. I wish I should have written down the person's name of who did it. Sorry, I can't remember. It was 4 years ago that she did it. I was searching on YouTube and found it. Oh, I cut my head off, didn't I? Okay. How long do you have? What day is this? This is Tuesday. I'll go to next Tuesday and then I'll draw. Okay? Anyway, y'all take care. And if you have any questions, let me know. Good night now.